Hey YouTube, welcome back to the Sneaky V YouTube channel. I just wanted to give you guys another little update. It's dark outside, and I'm sorry for the crappy lighting, but I got some new things to show you guys. First of all, I got the engine all wired up there, like it's in there. The intake's on, the fuel's not hooked up yet, but all of that's in there and wired up. Let me take you guys around here. As you can see on the inside, all the interior lights and stuff still work. I can still turn on the ignition and all of that, so that still works. The gauge cluster still works. I'm actually sure the gauge cluster won't be reading from the engine or anything until I get that hooked up, but that works. Seems like most things on the car still works. The trunk, dang it, the trunk release latch still works. So that's something I don't have to worry about. The turn signals still work. Let me turn this on. Turn signals still work. The brake lights still work. I have to wire those back into the new ECU though. That turn signal still works as well. The headlights still work. Basically everything on the car still works. I just have to get like the tail lights wired in, and probably the speedometer and the tachometer. The what you call it there, the throttle plate, everything's wired up. I can turn that on and show you guys real quick. Let's see if I can get this camera set up somehow to actually see it. No, but the throttle plate actually works with the throttle pedal. Like I actually got that wired in. I can't find any kind of way to set my camera down to a level where you guys can actually see that going on in there. Let's see if this will work. Set this right here like this, and get my phone set up right here to provide light. Let's see how that works. You guys can kind of see it, but I'm gonna go in here and turn the like the ignition on for the ECU, and you should be able to see the throttle plate move. And I don't know if you guys could see that, but yeah, the throttle plate moves and everything. Let me get my flashlight back because it's dark, like I said before. The throttle plate moves and everything. So really all I need to do is hook up gas and get my two coil packs in the back there replaced, and I should be able to start it. But that's all I can do is start it. I can't drive it. I still need to raise some money to get like the rest of it, like get my shifter. I'm still about $500 from getting that, so if you guys can donate, please do. I'll leave my PayPal address and my Venmo and my Cash App address in the descriptions again. Let me turn this off before it kills my battery. But like, I got very limited time left anymore to get this all right before I have to go back to work, or I'm gonna have to head back up north without my car and see and try to figure out what works. It's gonna be like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get back and forth to work. I thought I had time for this, but I just ran out of money and time right at the end because I wasn't expecting this whole thing with the shifter to happen. Oh yeah, I can also I can turn it over, but like, it obviously won't start because there's no gas. So there's that. So most things seem to work in the car. That's all I wanted to update with you guys. I got the intake on, I got it torqued down, I got the wiring done, ECU comes on, I've checked all the parameters. That's about really all I have to say. I don't want to make this video too long because it's dark out here, and long videos tend to get fewer watches, or people don't watch it all the way through. So let's turn these lights back off, get my key back, and disconnect this battery. And I'm going to let you guys go and say, if you think your friends would like content like this, once I get this thing up and running, please send your friends my way. Please donate if you can. What else? Nothing other than that. Have a good night, and I'll catch you on the next video or whatever. But anyways, have a good one.